This is going to be 2015 from the Box Breaks Mystery Box, MB103. And let's go ahead and screen share everybody in the break. All right, Jerry, you're at the top. Steve S., you're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into random.org. As always, random 7 times. Let's roll it. All right, there's 1. Here comes number 2, 3, razzle dazzle, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, and Jolie Wire to top and bottom. We're going to copy and paste this in to our mystery box spreadsheet right there. And let's screen share this out here for you. All right. All right, last name starts with A, goes out to Jolie Y, Case and S, you got B, Steve S, C, Jolie Y, D, Matt W, E, Tim M, F, Stuart H, G, Cynthia O, you got H, Jerry M, I, K, and O, Arturo V, J, and Jolie Y with L, Jeff T, you got M, Tim M with N, Jeff T with P, Arturo V, Q, V, Y, and Z, Case and S, you got R and S, Arturo V with T, and Jolie Y, U, and W. All right, guys, any trades here in 103 real quick? All right, let's go. Here we go. Good luck. This stuff is exciting. You never know. Let's see what we got here in this one. All right. Got several cards, several more cards in this one too. All right, a couple breakers packs right there. All right, first up, ooh, man, the Chief. Check this out. Right here. Material monikers right there. Check that out for the Celtics. Very nice. Right there, Robert Parrish. 62 of 99 right there for the Boston Celtics. Let's see here. Letter P, and that's Jeff T. Coming out to you, Jeff T. Very nice. Chief right here, Robert Parrish. Jeff T, that is you, sir. Sorry, Matt. You know how box breaking goes, man. You had it in that one box and then boom. All right, let's check it out here. We got a 9-5 coming up here. 9-5 Jim Mint from my boys right here. Dylan Cease from the Cubs with the 10 on the auto. You're welcome, sir. With the 10 on auto right there. Letter C, that is Steve S. coming out to you. Steve S. Dylan Cease right here for the Cubbies. Nice hit, Steve. That is you, sir. All right, let's check the breakers packs out real quick. And let's see what's in this one. All right. Hey, come on now. Let's check this one out here. All right. First up here is a John Wall. Right here, John Wall for the Wizards. That is a 3 of 5. Letter W and Jolie Y. That's coming out to you. And Jolie Y. Very nice. Oh, I got you. Okay, man. Just making sure. Next up here is a Matt Kemp Prism right here from Panini. Check that out. Very nice. Right here, 1 of 5. Good number 2. Great one right there. Let's see. That's the letter K. That's Jerry M coming out to you. Jerry M. Right there. Matt Kemp. There you go, man. That's right. Jerry M. All right, let's check the next one here. Here we go. Spencer Hawes right here. Crusade for the Cavs. 5 of 5 right there. Let's see here. That's letter H. Cynthia O. That is coming out to you. Cynthia O. Right, and last one here is a J.R. Smith right here, New York Knicks. Awesome looking card right there. 2 of 5 portraits from Court Kings. Right there, pretty awesome. Letter S, that is Kaysen S coming out to you. Kaysen S. Nice J.R. Smith, number 25. All right, that'll do it, guys, for Mystery Box 103 from FBB. Let's save that from YouTube.